Yo Minna, my name is Floatley. This will be kind of animals now because I just saw kitten. Where the hell is the kitten? Where the hell is the kitten? Where the hell is the kitten? Asan yung kitten? I just saw kitten because I just heard. I just want to pet her or him, but I can't. Hash. Meow. 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 Asan na yun? Where the hell? Oh my gosh, I just saw. It is in the back of our old tire. It was here and you can see. But I will change it because I will freaking laugh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Why? Why you can't? I just saw a kitten. There is the kitten. As you can see the kitten because it's too dark in here. Yeah, wait. Oh, the kitten just go back because she's scared or he's scared. I think the mother cat is in the outside. I just letting her be. Yesterday while it's raining because there's a typhoon. I just saw her for the first time, and this is the second time that I saw. What the hell? I want to pet that kitten, but I can't. Why? How I can tame it? How? How? How can I tame it? Just leave me a comment below. Oh my gosh, I want to pet. I just want to pet a kitten. Yeah, because yeah, all the people in the world just want a kitten or a dog or a puppy for sure. A cat. Just leave me a comment below to how I tame a cat, and I will search some and let's see. So, Jane.